Hello, etrailer neighbors. I'm Steven, and today we're looking at the Airlift Load Lifter 5000 Ultimate Air Helper Springs with the included internal jounce bumpers for your rear axle. Now folks, these do fit the 2023 to current Ford F-350 Super Duty 4-wheel drive models. Always make sure you go to our website, etrailer.com, enter your year, make, and model in our fit guide at the top center of the screen. Make sure you're getting the right parts the first time. Now folks, if you're not familiar, this is what they call a hybrid spring system because you get the adjustability of the air springs with the reliability of the internal jounce style spring or stopper. Now airbags do help reduce strain on your rear suspension while increasing safety, and they also compensate for uneven loads. So maybe you got like an in-bed camper, maybe a salt spreader sometimes, that kind of thing. You can adjust them side to side if you want, or you can inflate them both together. Now they do help level your vehicle front to back as well, and they maintain that headlight aim. So, you know, sometimes if you're squatting in the back, your headlights kind of pop up and shine up to the sky. These help you lift the rear and then thus pushing the front back down level. The way you have a safe headlight aim. Now again, you can adjust these independently of one another, or you can do them both the same. It's totally up to you. You can also get a compressor system with in-cab gauges and that kind of thing. That is sold separately. Again, this kit is just for the bags and all the mounting brackets for the bags. Now this kit is made in the USA. It has a load level capacity of 5,000 pounds. Keep in mind, you're not gonna add or increase your vehicle's weight carrying capacity. So you can't just get these and say, oh, I can now carry 15,000 pounds or whatever it is. If your vehicle's rated at 10,000 pounds, let's say, adding these, your vehicle's still rated at 10,000 pounds. These just help lift the capacity that you have back there. Now they are adjustable from 5 psi minimum to 100 psi max, and they have a lifetime warranty. So a lot of people ask, well, how much do I put in there, Steve? Like, how much air do I start with? What we do here at eTrailer is before we install these, we take what's called a ride height. So let's say you measure from the top inside of your rear fender well to the ground, you get that measurement, and then you measure it with the load in there, and then you have a difference of, let's say, I don't know, 6 inches. So whenever you first put that load in there after you've installed the airbags, you want to inflate the bags up to getting that ride back to that normal ride height. So let's say that's 6 inches. So, and whatever that PSI ends up being, maybe it's 50 PSI, maybe it's 30. Honestly, a lot of them aren't going up more than 30 to 50 from what I've been told from the installers. But somewhere in that range is a good way to start. And then you can adjust it depending on each individual load, and again, side to side, depending on your load. So you don't have to worry about, you know, the inflation. You're gonna figure it out really quick, basically. Now, a nice thing is they have a nice heavy duty steel construction. Everything that's steel has been black powder coated, as you can see. You get all the hardware, you get a little heat shield here, I believe. You get a couple of these radiator hose clamp style clamps. You get a length of airline here as well. That's what you're going to use to go inside of here and inflate them. You're going to get the Schrader valve caps, some rubber washers, some lock washers, some nuts, and a bunch of zip ties to help route that air hose out of the way in a safe location. Now these are a 2-ply fabric reinforced rubber air spring. They're very durable. The Airlift's exclusive upper and lower roll plates. That's this round black plate here and here on the bottom. Those, as I said, are an exclusive thing to Airlift only, and they protect the air springs from like damage. You know, let's say this thing loses air pressure and it's not going to bottom out and puncture it or nothing. That's going to help protect it and keep it from being punctured. Now they are made of a high strength Zytel nylon, and the end caps are lighter, stronger, and more corrosion resistant than steel end caps. And once again, that internal jounce stopper that we can't see, it is a urethane internal jounce, so it's made of urethane, and there's no maintenance or anything. It works great in hot or cold temperatures, so pretty much any season that's going to work just fine for you. You don't have to worry about it. Now folks, I know there's a lot of information to go over here. Again, keep in mind this is just a tabletop setup. Again, these should be straight on your vehicle, these bolts and everything. And again, these will be mounted to the frame. Again, it's just a mock-up version here. But again, air springs, if you've never used them, they're really, really nice. Again, they're gonna compress over whenever you have the load on there and stuff, and they do go back up in place. You can hear the air going in and out there whenever you have them installed. So a very nice addition if you need some help getting level back, you know, the headlights, that kind of stuff, or just having a smoother ride overall. We install lots and lots of these every week, and people are super impressed with them. Air springs, in my opinion, if you have a big truck and you're doing construction, off-road, and pulling a camper, a trailer of any size, honestly, I think this would be a great addition for you. Well, folks, again, my name is Steven here at etrailer.com. Thank you so much for your time. I really do appreciate you watching. I hope this information has been helpful for you. I hope maybe you've learned some things. If you still have questions, you can always reach us at our website, etrailer.com. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe out there.